Good morning, good morning. Today we're taking a look at the Aura coin here on the XRPL. So off of the bottom for the Aura coin, we met some resistance here, and now we're building a base off of that. We had a beautiful, very perfectly even ABC backtest that played into this region, which was the prior high and this little bit of inefficiency that played out right here at that level. And now we had this huge take back candle, and now it's got, I think there was some limit sells or something was sitting there because it immediately took back a big chunk of it. And from that, now we have this base being formed mid-range. So this might have to play down a little bit, come back, and then take off. So we'll have to see how that plays because that was such a violent reaction off of that level. I think a little bit of decrease and then another breakout might happen. So the shift is happening here where people are going to start saying, okay, well, I waited for lower, somebody was there, bam, snatched it up. And this is going to change the psychology of, well, if I get another higher low or if I get any type of pullback before it runs, they're going to probably want to grab it and go. And then there's potential that as it continues to run, people will chase. And so that's what we see playing out here on the Aura coin. So hopefully at some point we will be able to finalize this correction here. Hopefully that ABC is all we need, and we just do a little back test and continue moving forward, probably down to 165. So there's probably your opportunity going forward here on the Aura coin. Of course, it could go lower, and this is like a larger correction of some kind, but based off of how technical that was, I would say it's probably good to go. So yeah, so hopefully that's helpful. Let's jump into our stochastic RSI, and you can grab that right here. And so I just use the stochastic RSI, throw it on the chart. Kind of maxed out here on the 4 hour. I believe the daily, though, yes, daily is super overdone to the downside and is now, after that correction, beginning another impulse leg. So good things are lining up for Aura. All right, guys, we'll check in tomorrow, and thanks so much for watching.